Welcome. If you've ever had a friend on Snapchat calling you non-stop at the worst possible times, don't worry, you don't have to block them or turn off all your notifications. Snapchat actually lets you mute call notifications for specific friends. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that for 24 hours. Let's jump right in. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your settings and friend options are located. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see the full list of people you're connected with on Snapchat. Now, scroll through the list and find the friend whose call notifications you want to mute. Once you find their name, press and hold on it for a second. This will open a quick menu with several options. From that menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can control how Snapchat interacts with you for that specific friend. After that, tap on Notification Settings. You'll now see different notification options you can customize. Look for the option that says Mute Calls. Turn that toggle on, and when prompted, select for 24 hours, that's it. Snapchat will now silence call notifications from that friend for the next 24 hours.